Hi everybody, so today's little video again. Before anything else guys, you should subscribe Mervie vlogs. That's it. So today's vlog, I have a friend, what it is, I have a friend that she gave me lots of remembrance from Ottawa. Her name is Claudia, so that's our friend. So look at this guys, surprise, she gave me lots of things from Starbucks, and we love Starbucks. So who doesn't love Starbucks? So what I have here guys, this, look at this, a venti for the juice. Summertime you can use it. Okay, and there's fun colors. Look at this, it's amazing. I have an extra, a fun color, pink with a green. Look at this, this is so fun for summer. Okay, and there's more for winter, my favorite color. So I got this here, but it's a surprise gift from Claudia. Look at this. This one is for the hot and cold. But here is up to 4 hours hot. Yeah, you can put coffee or tea. So I can use it because it's still cold here. Still winter. And then next is the coffee. A coffee bean. This kind of coffee is Seren's blend. Juicy citrus and chocolates. Medium roast. I choose the medium roast. So I'm gonna try this today. So and this, look, I have the cutest Starbucks Canada. It's like an ornament guys, but look at this, how cute it is. This is fun. It is really fun. It's more fun in Canada. And then next is, so I have gift card guys. Imagine that, I'm so spoiled of Claudia. You're gonna see it. Thank you Claudia. So I'm gonna use it so that I can have coffee, juice, or I don't know, maybe frap. Here you go guys. So I'm spoiled of Claudia. Thank you so much Claudia. Love you. Bye.